Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for beginners. Let's dive right into understanding what WordPress is and why it's so widely used. It's a powerful content management system, or CMS, that helps you build almost any type of website you can imagine. From simple blogs to complex e-commerce stores, WordPress offers incredible flexibility and control over your online presence. It truly is a versatile platform for anyone looking to create a website. Now that you know what WordPress is, let's get it set up. The first step involves selecting a good web host and registering a domain name for your site. Most hosting providers offer a straightforward one-click installation process, making it incredibly easy to get started. If you prefer more control, you can also perform a manual installation, which involves uploading files and setting up a database. Both methods are effective for launching your new site. Once WordPress is installed, you'll spend a lot of time in the dashboard, which is your administrative control panel. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your website. You can easily create new blog posts and static pages, organize your content with categories and tags, and moderate comments. The dashboard also provides access to customize your site's look and add new functionalities, making it your central command center. To truly make your WordPress site unique, you'll use themes and plugins. Themes dictate the overall visual design and layout of your website, giving it a distinct look and feel. Plugins, on the other hand, extend your site's functionality, allowing you to add features like contact forms, SEO tools, or even an online store. There are tens of thousands of options, both free and paid, to help you achieve almost any desired feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.